In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM for YouTube in a quick and efficient way. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. This might seem like a simple step, but it's the first action we need to take to access the NotebookLM website. Once you're on the Google homepage, type NotebookLM into the search bar. This will pull up a list of search results. It's important to make sure you're selecting the official NotebookLM site to ensure you're accessing the correct platform. Once you see the NotebookLM website in your search results, go ahead and click on that link. This will direct you to the home page of NotebookLM, where we'll be doing most of our work today. When you arrive at the NotebookLM page, look for the option that says Try NotebookLM and click on it. This will allow you to start using the tool immediately. After clicking Try NotebookLM, you should see an option to Create New. Click on this as well. At this point, you should have a new notebook open where we'll eventually input the video transcript. But before we get to that, we need to go to YouTube. So, open a new browser tab, navigate to YouTube, and select the video you're interested in working with. Once you've chosen your YouTube video, you'll need to locate the transcript. For those who might be unfamiliar, YouTube typically generates an automatic transcript of many videos, which can typically be found in the video settings under Show Transcript. Once you find the transcript, copy the entire text. This text is what we'll be pasting into our NotebookLM project. After you've successfully copied the transcript, return to your NotebookLM tab. Here, you should see an area where it says Paste Text. Click in this area, then paste the transcript you copied from YouTube. With the transcript now in NotebookLM, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, click on Insert to finalize adding your text. Now, this is where the real magic happens. You're going to add a prompt that will guide NotebookLM on what to do with the transcript. For instance, you might ask something like, "What are the main points?" Or request a more detailed task such as, "Give me a 5-minute summary." These prompts help you extract useful insights from the transcript. Once you've entered your prompt, look for the Submit button and click it. This will send your request off to NotebookLM to analyze your transcript and generate the response based on your prompt. Within moments, you'll receive a tailored summary or insights generated right in your notebook. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to leverage NotebookLM for enhancing your YouTube experience. This method is perfect for content creators, analysts, and anyone looking to distill videos into digestible formats. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy guides like this one.